right, so check out my new farm truck. What do y'all think? This is a 1998 International 4700. This was a service truck. Bought it at an auction, and my plan is to just make this my little rat rod, Mad Max truck, whatever you want to call it, for the farm. Use it for towing. But first I've got to take this service bed off. I'm going to take off this PTO air compressor it's got. I don't really need any of that stuff. And I may use the service bed. I don't know if it's going to be cheaper to just find me a decent flatbed that ends right behind the wheels back here, or if I'm going to have to make my own. Everything I've seen I don't really like too much, so I'm probably just going to make my own flatbed for this. I'm going to keep the cab and clean it up, add some touches to it, then remove this service bed. This has a PTO air compressor. I don't need it, so I'm going to pull it off and just sell it to somebody. Hopefully I can find somebody that needs that. Probably add some other stuff, maybe another gas tank on there. This has this Liftmore 2000 crane on it that I'm taking apart right now because it's got something going on with the brake on the winch. So I'm going to fix that up, but I'm not going to use it. I'm going to take that off and sell that also. Like I said, I'm going to take this service bed off. I may chop this bed up a little bit and turn it into my own version of a service bed slash flatbed, and maybe change these doors and everything on it to be just low profile. I don't know, because I want to still be able to pull a gooseneck or fifth wheel with this. But let me know what you think. What do you think I should do with it? How do you think I should make it look? It's pretty neat. It's got about 100,000 miles on it. All in all, it's in pretty good shape. Engine runs pretty good. It's got the T444E engine in it. From what I'm reading, it's the same as the 7.3 powerstroke. Let me see if I can bust that other band off. Here's the front end of it. I'm going to paint that grill black. I've seen a couple of them with black grills and black bumpers. Looks pretty decent. Let's pull this hood. And I'll show you the engine. It does have air brakes, and it has the, I think it's 230. Yeah, 230 horsepower, 7.3. It's got an automatic transmission in it. I don't know exactly what transmission it is, but it's an automatic 5-speed. I'm assuming it's some kind of Allison 2000 or 3000 series, but I don't know. If you know how to tell real easy what transmission's in these things, let me know in the comments, because if not, I'm gonna have to climb underneath there and figure out what it is. I can't find a build sheet for this, so I don't know the specs on it as built, but that's it. If you can tell, like I said, what transmission it is from looking at this. There's another side of the engine. It's got this international ECU on it. I've heard they're hard to program, but I've heard there's been some recent breakthroughs with that, so we'll see what I can do with it. I don't really care about making it all super high powerful, blowing smoke, doing whatever. I mainly want longevity and just a decent pulling machine out of it. Let me open up the inside to see the cab. Oh, let's see. It's kind of dark in here. It's a pretty cloudy day outside, but you can see it was a work truck. It was a service truck. Here's the transmission. It's got first, second, 2 to 4, 2 to 5. I'm not exactly sure what pattern, if that right there will let you know what transmission it has. I didn't see a sticker or anything on it. And like I said, I can't find a build sheet or anything like that on it. I know it was a City of Austin service truck, and that's about it. And it's dirty. It needs to be cleaned up. You know, it's a real basic truck. Like I said, it's just going to be mostly a tow rig, rat rod kind of just truck to pull whatever I need to pull. It's got a back bench seat. and 2, you know, basic front seats. Again, nothing special, dirty, everything. I'm going to get in here and just redo all of this, clean it out. But it cranks really well. Well, at least it did. Put the key in, turn the key. It's got the weight to start, so I'm going to give it a little bit of time. Take a little while for the air pressure to pick up for the brakes. The AC's not working on it. That's why I guess they put these fans in here. But that doesn't really bother me too much. I was gonna probably redo the AC system on it anyway. It's got all these other, that's for like the little lights outside, the little flashers. It's got a, you know, like I said, air compressor PTO. Man, I guess this is the air brakes. I don't know, or maybe that's the electric brakes. I think it's got both air brakes on the back and electric brakes. If you're gonna pull a trailer with electric brakes, I don't know. I haven't had much time to mess with it. We basically won it at auction, brought it home, brought it out to the land. That's all I've done with it so far. Air's building up. It's that annoying beeping sound, typical of air brakes. Come on, stop beeping. And there goes that annoying squeak away. Looks like it's got cruise control and stuff. I don't know if any of that works. Needs a radio. Panel lights. I don't know. Heck, I don't even know if the headlights work. Yeah, I guess they do. And that's it. Let me know what you think. Put down in the comments what you think about this truck and what I should do to it. Follow along on the journey. Alright though, if you like this video, hey, please give me a thumbs up on it. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. It's that little red button right below the video. It's absolutely free. Thanks everyone. I'll see you on the next video. Take care.